Hi, and welcome back to That's So Nova. Today, we're going to do another episode of What's in This Box. This is going to be from Indie Stitch. There's no affiliate links. I purchased this box in July for August, and I've been patiently waiting to open it. I received it last week, and I did not sneak. I wanted to open it so everyone can see my real authentic reaction to it and to see if it's something that is worth it for you. This is a monthly subscriptions box. It's a sewing kit, and we can dive in and see what's in it. If there's a sewing company or subscription box that you've been looking at but you're kind of hesitant or you're a little reluctant to it, put the information down and the name of the subscription box in the chat. And what I can do is I can get a box, and then do an opening to see if it's for you. There's so many I want to try. I found a quilting one, an English paper one. Like, there's so many different aspects to sewing that I love getting boxes to see what I can create next. Although bags are my main thing, I love sewing clothes and everything else in between. So let's get started. So this is the August box. So you pay for it in July and you get it the next month. If I can get the box open. Okay. Indie Stitch. Welcome to Indie Stitch. This features. There's no zippers, no button or neck things. The feature kit is a t-shirt. Skelkies. I'll put the information down below. They create boxes that are from Indie Patterns. Okay, so the box has the PDF download code, which I'm not going to show, to print at home or print from the shop. The box also comes with 2 to 3 yards of fabric, your home sewing machine needles, 1 spool of thread, and this one has a friction highlighter pen, an iron white, and some magnetic pen grippers. Sew Along begins on August 16th, tomorrow, and we check out instructions. There's special codes on this, so I definitely need to keep this card. I always get weird when companies put this in here because it's either going to cause mess on my end or I'm afraid to do it, touching things. So right away, I see these friction pens. I have a set of these. I got them off of Etsy, and it is one of my favorite ones. And then there's a spool of thread that's polyester and 2 flat organ needles that are 75 by 11 sharp point. I like how they have that all there because for me, having the right needle size is crucial. I'm just going to take this crinkly paper and put it right here. So it looks like they give you the interfacing for this t-shirt too. So it's Heat and Bond, the fusible interface. I like Heat and Bond. I use it a lot. The glue in here is really nice. An iron cleaner, a wipe away. That's pretty cool. They feel like dryer sheets. That's what I was gonna. You get 10 sheets. Okay, so the trick that I learned a long time ago is if you want to clean your dryer, you get the dryer sheets and you iron on top of it, and all the gunk from the iron comes off, and they feel like that minus the smell. They don't have the smell of like Bounty or whatever you use. We ran out of stock of one of your kit items. An equal substitute with item or greater value has become included in your kit. We apologize for the inconvenience. Oh, I got Makers Are Gonna Make bag. That's kind of cute. And the pattern already printed out. That's pretty, I like that. Okay, and last but not least, the fabric. Oh, this is nice. I'm going to move all this. This is really beautiful. It has a nice drape, and The t-shirt we're making is from this artist. So let's see. It won't focus for me. I will put the artist information down in the Kenneth Wong, the designer is, and it's a nice V-neck t-shirt, but there's also a long sleeve version. This fabric's really nice. I think it's like a cotton lawn. It has a really pretty drape. Or maybe a rayon. It's very light. It looks like it's heavier, but it's because of the color. But it's not see-through. And I'm wearing orange, so you can see this. This is like really fall. I want to make this because I like fall. So I believe this box costs $59, if I'm not mistaken. And this is easily probably 2 yards of fabric. 2 yards of fabric easily. Maybe 3. And you get the interface, you get the sew along, and you get the code to download the instructions on how to sew it at home. So I think what I didn't get was a magnetic pin grabber and pins, and that's what they ran out of, and I got this bag instead. I got the pattern. You get the friction pin and the thread, and the thread matches pretty well. And iron cleaner. I like this box because I love indie patterns, because I like making things that you don't see everywhere. I wish I would have got the pins, because I feel like you go through a lot of pins no matter what you're doing, whether you're making bags and or if you're making clothes or whatever you're doing, quilting. Pins get bent all the time and you have to replace them. So I wish I would have got that, but I like the bag. The bag is super cute. Probably would get displayed somewhere on my wall. I appreciate the fact that they said, uh-oh, we made a mistake, you don't have that. I appreciate that, because a lot of people don't want to take ownership or don't want to say they made a mistake. So all in all, I think it's a good box. I'll definitely give it one more try, and that will be for next month. I think I have 2 other boxes that are for this month, and you will be seeing them on Sunday. There will be a sewing tutorial for a bag in September. I'm just trying to figure out what date. The one for this month was Aura Rosa Monica carry-all bag. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest you to look at the video, get the pattern, follow along. It is a very fun sew, but it's also testing you. So if you're a person that wants to be challenged, this is the perfect bag for you. And there's 2 other people that made a YouTube video, and I believe there's another one coming out. So there's different sewing methods that people have. There's hacks already, the whole 9 yards. So if you want to see other subscription boxes, please, like I said, comment down below and I will definitely respond. And thank you for coming by. If you can like, share, comment, I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a really good Sunday. Till next time I see you. Bye.